The 2026 BMW M5 sedan has officially arrived, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a full-blown revolution. Welcome back to Engine Empire, where we bring you the hottest machines before they even hit the streets. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated super sedans on the planet. The all-new M5 has gone hybrid, but don't panic, this isn't about saving trees. This is about ripping asphalt like never before. Before we unleash the power figures, let's open the doors and step inside. The interior of the 2026 M5 is pure BMW luxury fused with fighter jet aggression. You're greeted with merino leather options in bold dual-tone finishes, illuminated M badges stitched into the seats, and new sculpted bolsters that hug you like they're preparing you for launch. The curved dual display setup stretches across the dash with the latest iDrive system, offering razor-sharp graphics and M-specific performance widgets. Carbon fiber trims flow across the console, ambient lighting reacts to drive modes, and even the steering wheel feels more like a gaming controller, with red M1 and M2 launch buttons ready to ignite chaos. Rear passengers aren't neglected either. Heated and ventilated seating, dual-zone climate control, and optional entertainment screens turn the back of this super sedan into a VIP suite. But let's be real, nobody buys an M5 to sit in the back. Under the hood lies the real story. BMW has taken the legendary 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 and fused it with an electric motor. Combined output, a mind-warping 717 horsepower and over 740 pound-feet of torque. That's right, the once petrol purist M division is now embracing electrified brutality. 0 to 60 happens in just about 2.8 seconds, making this family car quicker than most Ferraris. Top speed, over 190 miles per hour when unlocked with the M-Drivers package. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic paired with BM's xDrive all-wheel system, but here's the fun part, you can still send all that power to the rear wheels for sideways insanity. There's even an EV-only mode for silent creep missions through the neighborhood, before switching back to full thunder when you hit the highway. Handling has been sharpened with adaptive dampers, active anti-roll tech, and rear-wheel steering. Despite its extra hybrid weight, BMW claims this is the sharpest, most responsive M5 ever built. And with regenerative braking blended seamlessly with traditional stopping power, it's as clever as it is savage. Now for the price. The 2026 BMW M5 starts at around $120,000, but let's be honest, nobody buys it stock. Start ticking carbon packages, upgraded wheels, ceramic brakes, and performance trims, and you're easily pushing $140,000 to $150,000. But for a sedan that can drop your kids at school faster than a Lamborghini, it suddenly feels like a bargain. If you're looking for the perfect mix of business-class luxury and ballistic missile performance, the 2026